How to choose the right size heat pump for your home. Your heat pump helps to keep your home at the proper temperature by drawing heat from the outside air into your living space in the winter and removing heat and transferring it outside in the summer. However, for a heat pump to function properly, it must be the correct size for your home. When choosing the right size heat pump for your home, the following factors are considered: the local climate, including how many days per year you need heating and cooling, your home's square footage and layout, how many windows you have and where they're located, your home's air filtration, how many people live in your home, and your preferred temperature. Call Milano Mechanical at 707-664-7520 for professional advice and guidance on how to choose the right size heat pump for your Petaluma, California home.